We've been talking about ancillary inspections and training programs and certifications and logos. Well, it's really important to learn about moisture. Remember moisture intrusion in the previous section of the masterclass? We learned about how to become a certified moisture intrusion inspector, and there was a moisture intrusion course. Well, when there's moisture and it's not taken care of, it damages wood and mold growth could appear. So it's important for every home inspector to know about moisture intrusion and also mold. Go through the Advanced Mold Inspection Training video course. It's a really good course. It's all online, free, and full of videos. Let's say I don't want to become a certified mold inspector. I don't want that. That's okay. Just go through the videos and just play the videos. I'll show you what it looks like. Then start marketing yourself if you complete the course as a mold inspector with professionally designed mold rack cards. So let's take a look first at the video course. This is what it looks like. You got the little logo there, got the button to click and start. And here's so we've got some
person take
flow rate and time, and then what you want done with that. If you want it, if it's an air sample, or if you want it cultured, if it's a bulk sample or a swab sample, or if you can, they'll also locate the area that they're going to take a sample in, for instance, the outside, and they'll write outside sample on this and outside.
So we go through many videos on how the actual sampling process and the components of the sampling device and equipment and the tools and the sampling pieces and the hoses and the pumps and all of that, and the swabs, and also the report writing and the documentation and the record keeping. Everything is gone through in this one video course. It's a very good mold. It's called the Advanced Mold Inspection Training video course. To become a certified mold inspector, click the link, and that's a free training program at no additional cost. And you can use the mold logo once you complete the program, and then start marketing yourself as a mold inspector with really good marketing cards, rack cards. And you can get those rack cards, and it looks like that. Actually, I have it here. And so it's really nice, professional. I put them in my binder that I mentioned before when I come to the job, and I have a few of them in the front pocket so I don't forget. So when I'm going through and I'm like, oh, maybe you'd be interested in signing up for the homeowner newsletter. And here's how you do it. You fill this out and you give it back to me, and I'll sign you up. Also, if the kids are there, I've got this. This is all from InterNACHI's member marketing team. That member marketing team that works for you, yeah. So here's a fire safety, and it's a coloring book, you know. And then for real estate agents, here's a free negligent referral program for real estate agents, and it describes what that is. So I don't forget anything. I just put it in my big binder. So mold. Mold grows when there's a moisture problem, and every home inspector should be looking for moisture intrusion issues, because it doesn't matter where you live geographically or in what climate, every home battles water. So take a look at those links and consider becoming a certified mold inspector.